No, I like my hair like this. Hello everybody, my name is Bash Harry and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna try out ELF! Ooh, In today's video, I'm gonna try out some new ELF products that just got into the mail. I've never used ELF since, okay, not true. I've used ELF quite a while back, I think around 2014 when I went to the US and picked up some stuff, but I haven't picked up anything else since then. But recently, Jkissa, one of my favorite YouTubers, launched a collaboration with ELF, and I thought, you know what? Why not it be my very first product purchase I buy from a YouTuber, because I don't, I'm super broke, but I thought, you know what, I really love this YouTuber, I'm gonna support her, and that's why I bought her stuff. Honestly though, it's just the eyeshadow palette, because I don't think I need a red brown mascara or a blue eyeliner. This is the only one I purchased and we're gonna try it out today. I also picked up the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer, hopefully in my shade. Hopefully. They say it's a dupe for the Tarte Shape Tape. I've never tried that one out, but I do have the Makeup Revolution and it finished, so maybe this could be my new concealer. There's also a few lip products here that I'm dying to try out. Anywho, those are the new products I'm gonna try out today, so let's just get started. The first thing I gotta do is put on my primer and my foundation. I already did my brows off screen because no one wants to see me without my brows. For primer, I'm just using my Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. My face is getting really red. Like lately I've noticed that ever since the facial I got a few weeks ago, my skin has gotten really red to the touch. I don't think it's a bad thing though, I think it makes me look kind of cute. On the website there's a find my shade and you put in like your different shade in a different brand. So I put in my NARS Sheer Glow foundation color in Fiji, so I thought that'd be a good idea for me to apply it today. I look so dead right now. Anywho, this is the concealer. As you can see, she's quite a big fella by comparison to, where is my Maybelline? Oh, you can see how crusty my lips are. Ugh. So I picked up the shade Medium Sand, and let me tell you something, this is not medium at all. I've never been a medium in anything, especially not this color. They matched me with this shade online, so I decided, you know what, why not pick it up? I was quite surprised at how light it is, but it's only 5 quid, so we'll just have to see where it goes. So let me just apply it underneath my eye. This applicator is quite big. Yeah, this is really, really light. If I have to think of something that's similar, it's probably my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in C6. I'm gonna wait about 5 to 10 minutes. No, I'm gonna wait about 5 minutes for my concealer to set. If you've watched my other videos, you know I like to do this. It lets the concealer settle into my skin and I can blend it a bit easier. I shouldn't have waited. I think this one dries quite quickly actually. Considering it's a matte finish, I should have known. This is a really full coverage concealer. That basically covered up my dark circles. But it is clinging onto my dry patch underneath my eye right here. I'm just gonna set underneath my eye. I don't think I'm gonna set the rest of my face just yet. So this is the e.l.f. by Jkissa Eyeshadow Palette. Obviously I haven't opened it because I'm really excited. Ah! Okay, I just realized something. I was looking through Instagram, I was scrolling, and then I was looking through the photos, and then I realized, wait a minute. This is a defunct eyeshadow palette. This is the same color as this one, and this is supposed to be a light purple. It's supposed to be a lavender. Sway is not this color. It's supposed to be like this color.
A few moments later.
After much consideration, I'm just gonna continue doing this eyeshadow look without Sway, the shade, and hopefully get a refund or at least an exchange by e.l.f. Oh my god, this is exhausting, and it's only 3 o'clock. Let's try this again, knowing that this eyeshadow palette is defunct. I'm gonna take BFF again and just blending that into my crease. I'm hoping that I still get a nice eyeshadow look out of this palette. I just threw a fit on IG story. Sorry to everyone who's watching, but I guess that, you know, for the first time ever, I purchased a palette online by one of my favorite YouTubers, and then it turns out it's not even the right one. So maybe I am just being a little bit dramatic. I'm guessing these two are exact color matches. I'm such an idiot, I swear to God, how am I doing a degree here? I'm taking My Moon and just applying it on the outer corners. Maybe I should do a duotoned look. I haven't done a duotoned look in a while. I'm putting a little bit of a V shape just to give some oomph. Yeah, that looks kind of nice. So this is where I'm gonna play around and try to incorporate Danger and Alien. I think I'm gonna do a little bit of a duotone. So like I'm gonna add Alien on the inner corners and Danger in this inner corner, and then on the lower lash line I'll be adding Alien and Danger, so it looks like really cool and cohesive. Now I'm taking Alien and I'm popping that in the inner corner. I think that looks really cute. To bring the looks together, I'm gonna add a little bit of My Moon just on the outer half of the lower lash line. For highlight, I'm going in with 23, just applying that on my brow bone. Maybe I should use that as a highlight too. I'm gonna pop a little bit of that onto the inner corners. I really like the look with just mascara, but I do want to add some falsies, so I'm gonna just use the Ardell Baby Wispies. While I wait for this lash to dry, I'm going to add some black eyeliner on the top and lower lash line. So the eyes are complete. I'm gonna move on to my highlighter, blush, contour, bronzer, all that stuff, and the lips. So let's just do that really quickly. For highlight, I think I'm gonna try using the color 23 from this palette, just because it looks like a really nice highlighter color. To be honest, I'm just kind of surprised and a little disappointed, considering this is my very first purchase from e.l.f. Online. And the fact that it's also my first purchase of a YouTuber's collaboration. I mean, I know quality control issues happen, and I completely understand that. That doesn't stop me from feeling a little annoyed and maybe a little bit disappointed. I'll definitely email them and ask for a refund, or at least an exchange of products. But in the meantime, you'll get this review, because I still want to finish a video up and have one uploaded soon. This might be a bit too pale as a highlighter for me, but that's okay. I'm gonna add a little bit of Crown of My Canopy from Wet n Wild just on the outer corners of that highlight. This is definitely darker than like my skin, but it's really nice as like a very glowy blush. As for blush, I am using my Sleek Blush by 3 Blush by 3 palette, and I'm taking this really nice warm shade. I'm just keeping it on the highest points of my cheeks right here. I'm not bringing it down anywhere else. I want this look to be quite high and kind of bring my face together. For contour, I'm using my NYX Taupe blush. For a little bit of warmth, ooh, you can see the cracks on my lips. For a little bit of warmth, I'm adding just a touch of my bronzer as usual. Okay, so for the lips, I did get some new exciting products from e.l.f. This is their e.l.f. Lip Lacquer in Natural, and this super pretty like lip plumping gloss. It is their e.l.f. Lip Plumping Gloss in Champagne Glam. I can't wait to try this out. But this lip, stop laughing. But this lip lacquer I hate English words. This lip this color is a bit too light on me, so I'm gonna be using my Urban Decay Glide On Lip Pencil in 1993 just to outline my lips. I'm just gonna focus this lip color just on the center. This looks like butthole lips. Then as a topper, I'm just using their Plumping Gloss. And this is the finished look! Wait, I want to put some accessories on. Okay, that looks decent. That looks kind of badass. So this is the completed look. I kind of like it. It's kind of grungy and cool, especially with the accessories. I look like I'm going to like a concert, but I'm not. I'm going to my friend's house party. It's her birthday. Overall, I do enjoy the eyeshadow palette, save for the fact that it's not really the eyeshadow palette. The concealer is alright. I like it. I like a nice matte concealer. It's full coverage. It feels really good underneath the skin. I don't see anything wrong with it, to be honest, and it's only £5. My one concern about the concealer is that it does not have a very good shade range. What I got was medium sand, and I am not a medium sand at all. I am a light warm or a light something. That being said, it did oxidize and it did set into my foundation just the same. It does look really, really pretty in my opinion. As for the eyeshadow palette, it is really nice. I mean, I love Jkissa. I bought it because I wanted to support her. And I do like the shades in this palette. My Moon 23 are super pretty. Mac and Cheese, nice mustard. I think I can pick up this shade in Subculture. I'm just really disappointed that this is a defunct palette and Sway is not the color it's supposed to be. But what can you do? I'll just message someone on customer service and try to get a refund. That's perfectly fine. But I did end up with this eyeshadow look. That is quite nice. It's pretty. It's pretty. I like it. Would I recommend getting this palette? Yeah. If you support Jkissa, go ahead. This is why I purchased it. This is why I am a huge fan of her work, and I'm so happy that she had this collaboration. It's been ages. And this is absolutely her palette. It is £12 here in the UK, you can find it online, and that's about it. If you like this video, do like, comment, and subscribe, do everything, and don't forget to maybe tag Jkissa, because maybe I would like her to watch this video. I love her. Anyway, tell me down below what you think about this eyeshadow look, and if you want to purchase the palette. My name is Bash Harry, and thanks so much for watching. Bye!